Good morning, everybody. So, in last video, we talked about Nyquist criteria. So, in Nyquist criteria, we took some numerical based on Nyquist criteria. So, if out of these three parameters, any two parameters are known to us, so ultimately we are going to get the third parameter. That is, bit rate is equal to 2 multiplied by bandwidth multiplied by log base 2 L. So, where L is your signal level. So, we calculated signal level in previous video that it came out to be around 98.7. So, ultimately we are not going to take 98, rather we are going to take the value which is less than this number, and it is in the form of 2 raised to the power n. So, if we are going to see that 98, the less value corresponding to this 98, and it has to be in the form of 2 raised to the power n, is all about 64. That is 2 raised to the power 6. So directly we can calculate the value of L from here itself, that is 2 raised to the power 6.625. This number is given to us. So ultimately we are going to take 2 raised to the power 6 directly over here in order to remove the ambiguity. So this is all we saw in previous video. Now today we are going to see some numerical based on Shannon equation. And Shannon is basically used for noisy channel, because in that we are going to consider signal is to noise ratio. So let's go for this numerical. So let me read out the question for you. So a telephone line normally has a bandwidth of 3000 Hz assigned for a data communication. The SNR, so SNR is nothing but your signal is to noise ratio. The SNR is usually 3162. Now what we are supposed to evaluate here? So it is asking what will be the capacity of the channel. So capacity here, basically we are talking about the maximum capacity that the channel is going to have. So based on the formula, simple formula is there. Based on that formula, we are going to put the values of this, and ultimately we are going to get the capacity of the channel. So it is defined in this way. Capacity of the channel is equal to bandwidth multiplied by log base 2 1 plus SNR. And ultimately we are going to put all this value. Bandwidth is given to us, that is 3000 multiplied by log base 2 1 plus 3162. It is coming out to be 3000 multiplied by 11.62, and ultimately we got the output, that is capacity is equivalent to 34,860 in round figure. So this was one of the simple, this question based on your Shannon theorem. So hope that you understood the concept. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.